Hello everyone. Need to transfer money from your Fidelity account to your digital wallet? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, go to fidelity.com and log into your account using your username and password. And inside the dashboard, you'll see the menu like three dot or something depending on your app and hover to transfers and payments and click transfer money and then Fidelity allows transfers to multiple digital wallets, including PayPal, Venmo, and Apple Pay, and more. So, in this example, I'm going to show you how to transfer money just using PayPal. That's the easiest way. So, in PayPal, simply sign in, or if you haven't, so sign up, then log in, and then just enter your Fidelity routing number and account number to connect your account. And in PayPal, now, once your Fidelity account is linked, choose it as a funding source, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm transaction. Now, transfers from Fidelity to PayPal typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You can check status under your PayPal transaction history. Now, you can also follow similar steps to transfer money to Venmo or Apple Pay by linking your Fidelity account under their bank account settings. And that's it. You can successfully transfer money from a Fidelity account to any digital wallet in this way. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides.